what's his name from regular show? Muscle Man? It's giving Muscle Man. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, AsheriXO. If you're new here, my name is Frances. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is not your first rodeo, thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how I go from this afro to a very chic and elegant slick back bun. Okay, so to achieve the ultra sleek look, what you're gonna need is some clips, some scrunchies, and then I use the mini rubber band products. I use a setting mousse or like setting foam. I have two right now because this one is actually low-key my favorite, but it's almost finished. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, you know, have some, so I have this one as a backup. So this is the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. It looks like that. And then I use the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. This is the anti-poof. So, you know, all the good things to help it slick back. And then I use the Bronner Brothers Pump It Up Gold Styling Spritz. This stuff has a super hold. This is a fresh wash. I haven't put any product in it yet. If you watched my previous video, that was my post-braid self-care video, that kind of vibe. I don't know what I'm gonna title it yet, but that video, that is how I achieved this. So there's no product in it yet. I still need to apply this. And I'm also going to apply some more of the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Blend Oil, as well as the Curls Blueberry and Mint Tea Hair Growth in Scalp Treatment. I'm gonna put that on my scalp. Like, usually I wear this hairstyle for a while, and at some point my scalp is like, free me. So this helps not only moisturize or keep my hair hydrated, but to also keep my scalp non-irritated and, you know, not itchy. I also use the Eco Styler gel in the argan oil. I don't know if it's like a flavor or the argan oil scent. So all of these are going to be used throughout the video. I can link them down below if need be, just so you have it. But then throughout the video, I'm probably just gonna B-roll and then voiceover. So see y'all as I do my hair.
So I like to start off by sectioning my hair into small parts in a pattern that frames the bun. I like to create my buns with a side part, so when I get to the front, I first establish my parting before continuing on with sectioning. The smaller the section, the better, but you don't want to make them too small to where you have too many sections. This is because each section is going to be laid down to form the bun, and you don't want too much tension at the base. So at the end of the clip, I don't really show the parting pattern that I created, but essentially I have a section in the back center, which is essentially the anchor of the bun, and then I have one section on the bottom, two on either side of my head, and two on the very top. At the beginning of my parting, I did do like a side part, but if you don't want to have a side part, just keep everything normal, and then when it comes time to smoothing it back, just make sure that you're pushing all sections back instead of one to one side and another side to the other, if that makes sense. Just the way I'm doing it here. So once I'm all done parting, I unravel the back center portion of my hair and I smooth it out to create the base of the bun.
Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that they move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. Yeah.
Once I've applied all the product to the section, I then comb it out with my wide tooth comb and then smooth it out with a hard bristle brush. I forgot to mention the tools I used in the beginning of the video, but everything will be linked down below. Also, y'all, please don't come for my split ends. Like, I know they're looking rough, but since this video, I have had it trimmed. Okay, so once the section is all smoothed into the position that I want the bun to lay, I secure it with my mini rubber band and I repeat the same process to the rest of the sections.
Hey, 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 hey. Niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my crony to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it directly, give a fuck.
Again, since I decided to do a side part with my bun, I have to mold the hair to the side that I want it to lay down on before swooping it back to join the rest of the bun.
I put some ice on my hand.
Once I'm satisfied with the placement of the final section of hair, I use the larger scrunchie to secure the ponytail base of the bun. Then I lay down any flyaways with the Pump It Up Super Hold Spritz and brush it down with my hard bristle brush. Then I take a few pumps of the styling mousse, rake it through the ponytail part of the bun, wrap it around, and secure it with the large scrunchie. After that, I take my edge control and a toothbrush and start slaying my baby. wavy hairs.
Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave our mark and piece to piece up. Ain't nobody making too much money off the beef stuff. But I beef a rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she knows she got the sweet stuff. Hey, please ain't gotta respect.
Once I'm satisfied with the look, I do the most important part of the entire routine, which is to wrap my edges in styling wraps. Once I tie on 2 to 3 pieces of the wraps, I top it off with my silk scarf and I sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour.
Okay y'all, so it is the very next day. So I sat under the hooded dryer with the hair wraps for about an hour, and then I took them off, kept my silk scarf on so that I can go to bed. And so now it's the very next day. Not gonna lie to you, I woke up this morning and my edges were all kinds of jacked up. So I had to redo them and then wrap them up again while I was doing like my morning routine. And so here is the final outcome of my slick back bun. It is dry for the most part. It's just the little bun part. It's a little bit wet. Like it's like I can squeeze it, it feels kind of squishy, but it's dry for the most part. Here is a close-up. But yeah, some little quick and easy. Yes, it lasts me about a week. I do work out with the hair. When I work out, I use the Nike Dry Fit like headband. So I just put it on because I sweat a lot. So I just put that on and then it collects the sweat, wait for it to dry completely, and then I take it off and, you know, go about my business after that. I use the Curls scalp treatment oil throughout the week as well. Like if I get an itch anywhere, I'll just put a few drops of oil there just to, you know, alleviate that. And it's just really edge control and gel and water for upkeep. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, loves.